Christmas, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Hello and welcome to Outside the Box Unboxing, the second one. Today we are with Bucky Barnes, the Winter Soldier from before the Civil War, with the gun, a pop vinyl bobblehead figure for ages 3 and above. So, and this one has Ant-Man, Crossbones, the Scarlet Witch, Black Widow, Agent 13, Black Panther, Winter Soldier himself, War Machine, Falcon, Iron Man, and Captain America. Doom. And that's the box. And now we'll just take Bucky outside of the box. And here's Bucky, the bobblehead. So, there he is. With the star on the metal hand, gun, quite well looking cool. The different shades of black, and the starling in the hand. Hello. No, just... And there he is. Should they subscribe? Should they watch another one of my videos? These are a shadow arrow cool. Oh, I don't see that. It's Bucky. And Bucky, we'll put him onto the shelf. But first, just have a look at the box. Go through it. And so here it is, Bucky and Moriarty. And if you enjoyed that video, like and subscribe if you want more, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.